it's May of 2021 and we're in Virginia. Rode out from Iron Mountain Horse Camp. We're on the Virginia Highlands Trail. Here it's marked as the Orange Trail. And we're on our way out to a place called Trailside Grill, where we called ahead and we're gonna have them make lunch. So yeah, looking forward to it. It's not too far out from camp. It's kind of a short day for us. We rode, last 2 days combined, we rode 26 miles, which in this kind of terrain is quite a bit for our flatlander horses. So we're on our way out there. This is my horse Kasper. He's 4. This is his first big trail ride, and we are on our 7th day away from home. So lots of new experiences for this guy, including being in a barn with full of mostly strange horses that paw at the gate and bang on buckets and cause some excitement that he's not used to, but he's taking it all in stride. Definitely pretty here. We're on our way back from the Trailside Grill. Still a beautiful day. We're on the Green Trail headed south from Trailside, back down toward Orange, which is Virginia Highlands, and then we'll hang a left, which I think is east, back into the Iron Mountain Horse Camp. And boy, is it pretty. We're riding you're able to see this, but kind of a ridge that goes way down over there. Boy, is it pretty. Give you an idea of what Kasper sees. And yeah, welcome to ride along. Maple grove, looks like. Yeah, I think the camp map said this was Shiloh Loop. It appears we got a tree across the trail, Kasper. We can get around. Me and my baby bulldozer here. He's so brave. He's such a good boy. Kasper's 4 this year. This is his first big trip. He's been out. This is the 7th day he's been away from home. And he's just really coming together. It's a real nice trail. Into some bigger trees and an area that was probably logged, more open. I believe this is Mount Rogers National Recreation Area, I think. Some of this is Roosevelt National Forest, and I guess I can't tell you exactly which one this is, but I think it's Mount Rogers National Recreation Area, I guess. Looks like the blackberries are blooming. Oh, there's a sticker. Right across the chest. Sorry about that, Kasper. I can't feel good. Lots of blackberries, though. Blackberries about as far as you can see. I did not expect this to come out on the road. Always learning, I guess. I'm gonna have to get my map out, figure out where we're at. We kind of wandered off this trail a little bit ago and had to regroup. We picked it back up, but I was not expecting to come out to a road, so I'm gonna have to take a look. So we're back on track. We had a little detour out on the road on the Shiloh Loop. We had hoped to kind of cut down the middle on the green trail, and skip riding on the road, but it's all been logged. And the trail's there down through the middle. We didn't find very much of it, so we brought the road on down to Orange, which is Virginia Highlands, and we're headed east back toward Iron Mountain Horse Camp. And it's a little warmer day, but still, man, in the shade it is perfect. There's a nice breeze. Right out in the sun in a t-shirt, it's a little warm. So we're thinking maybe we get back to camp, we're gonna grab the lawn chairs and go sit in a little creek behind the horse trailers, soak our feet, and maybe have an adult beverage. But yeah, we're not too far out, but boy, it's still just a beautiful ride. Good thing to do after another big ride. Got a little snack, some shorts on, got my feet in the creek. Beautiful spot. And right over here, Kasper and Dex are enjoying the turnout pen. Hi, Kasper! Got the saddles off, and of course they were ready to roll. So they rolled and rolled and kind of got the kinks out. And yeah, there's a nice little turnout area here. Threw them a little bit of hay. They're having a snack, enjoying some time out of the stall. And yeah, toes in the water. Beautiful day.